Right, this is a yellow toy tractor ride by Jolly Roger. This is the steering wheel from Spidero, and the code for photo me is AVZD. This is the same colour as Scoot, and I suppose it does look a lot like Scoot. Because the push start button is jammed, but at least it has start button activation. I have badly replaced the Captain Sub and the yellow and red IX simulator replaced the red video option toy retractor, which was at the Pleasure Beach there, but it's gone, sadly. And the video option red toy retractor is extremely rare. It is extremely rare. Made from Jolly Roger in about 2026 under no licence. There's the blue and white one down there. And that was the yellow toy retractor kiddie ride by Jolly Roger, sighted at Skegness Pier in Skegness.